How to find block users on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your block users on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now from here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here from the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as blocked users. So simply tap on that. And now here you'll see the list of all the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can find the blocked users on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.